In the previous video we created React boilerplate, so now let's optimize the files for our needs. Let's open project in the favorite text editor. I personally like to use Visual Studio Code, you of course can use any you like. To open project in Visual Studio Code, first of all, we need get to the project directory. To do that, I simply type in the console next line commands, cd, and directory where the project folder is located. In my case it's desktop, so I type desktop, and hit enter, then cd, and project folder name, I called city, guide, tutorial, and hit enter. Now to open project in the Visual Studio Code, I simply type, code, space, dot, and press the enter. Let's talk of folders and file structure. We have 3 folders. Node modules folder contain libraries, dependencies like Babel compiler, React, React DOM, React router and tools which default installed in Create React App boilerplate. In the future videos we will install Bootstrap and styled components directly into the node modules folder. Public folder contains favicon, index.html, and manifest file. Let's talk about these files, what they for and why we need them. Let's delete the favicon cause we don't really need in this project. The index.html file works like regular HTML file, it displays all the content in this div element with root ID. I delete the comments to make document looks cleaner, you may leave if you need them. The manifest document provides information about an application such as short name, icons, etc. The purpose of the manifest file is to install applications to the home screen of a device, providing users with quicker access and a richer experience. If you want to know more about manifest file, I put the link source in the description below this video. In our project we don't really need a manifest file, so I delete it. Source folder contains index.js file is the main render file in our project. This line of code is telling that the app.js will be displayed in the div HTML element with root ID in the index.html file. App.js is a parent component of all components like navbar, home page, details page, footer, and so on. So don't worry if you do not understand yet, in the process you will get it. Also, we see the 2 CSS files, index.css and app.css. Index.css contains main styles as body style, fonts, etc. In our project, we'll not be using this file, so I delete it also. App.css is for style entire app and child components of app.js file. As we see it contains default styles. Let's see how default Create React App is looks like. In the terminal, type next command, npm start, and press enter. As you can see we got an error in the index.js file, it says, module not found, can't resolve index.css. This error showed up because we deleted index.css file, but still import it in the index.js file. So let's fix it. To do that we open index.js file, at a top delete this line of code. And save. To save you can use hotkeys, press Ctrl+S. If we go back to the browser window, then we can see is everything work fine. Now let's open folder with important files for our project, where text, images, and data.js file. You may download the folder below this video, in the description I put the source link. If you open folder we can see 2 folders, public, and src. Let's open public folder where 2 more folders. Avatars folder contains icons for reviews, and images folder contains images of museums and galleries. Let's copy avatars and images folders, press Ctrl+C to copy them. Open project folder, and paste them inside public folder using hotkeys, Ctrl+V. Source folder contains data.js file and logo. We copy them also, and paste in the src folder of our project. It asks if we want to replace the existing file. We click replace and it place the data.js file and replace the logo. Let's see in the browser if it works. OK, working good. Now let's delete default styles. Go back to the text editor, in app CSS file select all styles. I do this simply press Ctrl+A on the keyboard, and hit the delete button, and save. Also, in the app.js file, select all JSX elements, and delete them. Let's add h2 element and type Hello City Guide app. Let's save it. And let's go back to the browser, make sure if everything working correctly. As we see no errors, and our app working good. In the next video, we will start building the City Guide app from scratch. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell.